Hi everyone and welcome back. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split and move this body in any direction that you want. Without wasting time, let's start. So in order to split this body, you have to use the split command, which you can find in the direct editing tab. If there is no direct editing tab, you come here, right click, tabs, and then we have all these tabs that we can remove. Let's say you want to remove the sheet metal, just click on the sheet metal here and remove it. We have direct editing, so if it is not checked, just check it and it will appear here, as we can see. In the direct editing, you have the split command here that creates multiple bodies from a single body. So click on the split, and then we need some trim tools or a plane or face that we are going to use to create the split. So depending on where you want to split the body, you have to create a plane there. So here you select a sketch plane or surface for the trim tool geometry. So we are going to create the split exactly somewhere here. So there is a plane already there, which is the right plane. If there is no plane here, you have to go ahead and insert a plane yourself. But since there is a plane here, I just right click and make it visible. So this is the right plane where we want to create the split. So you create split and then click on the right plane for the trim tools. You have to click on the cut part and then check any parts that we want so that they can be in our split body. So okay, and then this is the split. I'm going to hide the right plane and you can see there is the split here. In order to move the body, again you come to move or copy bodies and click on the body you want to move. So let's say you want to move this body here. If this menu is showing for you, you have to come down and then click on translate or rotate so that these three arrows can come that you can use to do the movement or the translation. So on this arrow, click and move in any direction that you want. Okay. Even if you want to move this cap as well, just again move and copy bodies, click on this body and move it in any direction that you want. Okay. So yeah, this is how to split and move a body in SolidWorks. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and share it to your friends so they can also watch it. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Safe.